Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Salesflare, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you mark a task as completed in your Salesflare account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to mark a task as completed in Salesflare anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business managing a lot of different projects or teams, you want to be sure to mark the task as completed so your other team members aren't wasting their time duplicating that task. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Salesflare dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Salesflare account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to mark a task as completed, there's a couple of different ways you can do this. So if it's going to be your task that you want to mark as completed, you're going to click up here on tasks, and then you want to choose the task. If this is for today, upcoming. So for example, I'll click on upcoming. Okay, you can see I have these tasks that I need to complete. So this one says make a spreadsheet. If this one is already completed, off to the right, you can click on the blue check mark, or you can click on these three dots and then click on complete. Either way, it's going to do the same thing. It's going to move it over to completed. So you can see right here, completed. Now I have this marked as completed. Now, if you want to mark a task as completed that's in one of your accounts, here on the left side, click on accounts. Next, choose the account. So I'll click here on Yahoo. And then once you've clicked on the account, up here on the top, click on tasks. And now you can see all of the tasks that are required for that particular account. And it's the same process. All you're going to do is click on this blue check mark, and then it's going to move it over to completed. So you can see a line through it now. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to mark a task as completed in your Salesflare account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.